Let's have some Cynful Mexican street corn today. Start out by preheating your pan on medium-high. Add the oil and the butter to the pan and allow the butter to melt. Let's go ahead and add the corn to the pan. We're going to stir to coat the corn in the butter and the oil, and we're going to continue to cook it, stirring occasionally until I begin to see browning on numerous kernels. Let's season this with a little salt and pepper, shall we? And then we're going to stir that salt and pepper in. Alright, next we're going to reduce the heat to medium and we're going to add some mayonnaise. You heard me right, mayonnaise. Stir that mayonnaise in. Let's go ahead and add some chili powder, as much or as little as you like, and then stir it in. And this is done. To serve, sprinkle with a little bit more chili powder, some crumbled cotija cheese, and a wedge of lime for squeezing on top. Here's your recipe. I want to thank y'all for watching today. Y'all like and subscribe, and y'all have a beautiful afternoon.